We're proud to share our most recent 5-star review. Our company staff works hard to go the extra mile, so these positive reviews are very motivating. We spend countless hours to ensure that we deliver the absolute best customer service out there. So when we receive a 5-star review like this one, we know we're succeeding in our goal. All of our customers were new at one time, so we're always excited to speak with any of them, whether they are new or returning. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. We're excited about serving you and the people you care about. Don't hesitate to call us at the number on your screen. We look forward to doing business with you.